Welcome to a couple of bunkies. We ended up having a kitchen and living room renovation at our house. We bought our cabinets from Craftsmade, and they didn't come with side panels in order to hide the seams right here, and there was a 3/16 gap between the two panels right here. My wife and I wanted to figure out a good way in order to erase some of these mistakes. What we came up with was some tongue and groove paneling. Both me and my wife would have loved to do this out of some high quality wood like walnut or cherry, but I ended up finding some knotty pine boards that were already tongue and grooved. I did some quick calculations on how many boards I would need. I started cutting the boards to the right length with the miter saw. The floors in our house are not straight, therefore I had to measure and cut each one individually for a perfect match. As I was going in and out of the house, this small incident happened with my supervisor.
Hi, Sal. Joshua, come on, go get him. Go get him, Chocolate. Go get him. Get him, Chocolate. Right here. Good job.
Our supervisor was trying to escape just to tell you to like this video and to subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to get updates on new video releases, consider ringing that bell icon. I had to get enough material for 3 side panels. After all the panels were cut, I set them in rows so then I can apply them to the side of the cabinets. And if I was having issues with fitting one of the boards, I would take it out and do some finer cuts. This is how all of the panels looked when they were in place. All of the panels fit vertically, and I just had to make some horizontal cuts and the toe molding cut. After taking these measurements, I took the individual boards downstairs and cut them to size. The first one I cut, my dyslexia got the better of me, but I was able to use it as a template on the next board. I was able to finish up all of the cuts with the jigsaw. I had to repeat this process 6 times. And I used a palm router and a roundover bit to go over all of the edges that would be exposed on the outside. I cleaned up my garage work area so I could do a quick sanding and round over the rest of the edges that I did not get in the basement. After sanding all of the panels down, I cleaned up the area once more and laid down a blue tarp, and laid the panels on the blue tarp in preparation for laying down a coat of polystain. We've used the same polystain pecan in multiple projects, and we really enjoy how it turns out. I laid down 3 coats of this polystain with sanding in between. And here is the big reveal. This is how it ended up looking without the paneling. And here's how it looks with the paneling. It really turned out great, and I'm really happy with this project. And again, thank you for watching this video. Consider subscribing to our channel.